Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today let me go ahead and show you my house from downstairs because it was rented out before. Last time when I made the video, I couldn't show you how it looks like from downstairs. This is the garage. And when you enter here, this is the kitchen. We gave it on rent for a year. People lived here. And now it's a month. No one has come. So we come here every other day to clean. This is the LED rack or LCD rack, whatever you call it. We came here, we cleaned all the windows, all the fans, and when you give your house on rent, pathetic, it becomes pathetic. So we had to clean it really well. We don't come downstairs क्योंकि हम ऊपर रहने के आदी हो गए हैं. We don't really come downstairs pretty much. This is it. This is drawing room, dining, and this is one bedroom. Woohoo. And the bathroom, attached bathroom, and the cupboards, the windows. This is the kitchen. I told you the downstairs kitchen is like 3 times bigger in size. You can put your huge size fridge here. It's a big kitchen. Not very big. 5 marle ke hisab se it's a big one. Oh, this is again the washing area. आज मौसम अच्छा हो रहा है. उम्मीद है कि बारिश हो जाए. Yeah. You would see again houses are building everywhere. Houses. So we're going to close it.